love you. I I love you. That's a good girl. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I hear a combination of words that's coming out of her mouth. I love you. It's one of the words. What you doing? What you doing? What? What you doing? I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Yes, I love that display. Yeah, that is very awesome. I love the foot. Oh, yeah. Good girl. You know how to do your Andy Griffith. We just watched that yesterday. Yes, you like Andy? Good girl. Yeah, it's another word I'm noticing she's saying. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I love you. Too much? Okay. I love the kisses. Yes, I love